Hello everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you how to add a picture to your classroom and courses once you're in Schoology, and also to create a page or assignments in Schoology. So the first thing you're going to do is click on courses. Once you're in your courses, you'll see all the different courses you're a part of. You'll probably click on your attendance homeroom. I'm going to just go into a fake class that I've created for this video. One of the first things you want to do is just give your page a little bit of a personality. This book right here, it can be replaced by any image you want. Simply click on Edit Picture, and you can attach a file. You can either look inside of your picture folder, something you've saved on your desktop. I think the easiest way is putting something on your desktop and just dragging and dropping it right on top of there. And now your class has a little bit of a personality. So once kids click on the courses, they'll be able to associate that image with your class, and it makes this navigation a little bit easier. The first thing that you're going to want to try is just how to create a page. So the first thing you do is from the Add Materials button, you'll click on Add a Page. And adding a page is really kind of one-way communication. You can maybe have a welcome letter where you can add information, and it kind of just has the same options that you would have when you write an email. Maybe it's bold, italic, underline, blah, 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 blah. If you're really good at HTML and coding, you can switch to HTML and you don't have any of those options, and you can just code it all in there. Most of you probably are more comfortable with the visual way where you have these different options. If you would like to insert different content and you have your Google Drive linked to your Schoology, you'll be able to import documents that way, or you can put in different links, symbols, or just type whatever you would like. Other options for linking are along the bottom. If you'd like to do voice recording, it will launch just a voice recorder right inside of it where you can add audio or visual if you'd like to make your own videos to put in Schoology. You can assign each of these learning objectives if you'd like, or make it visible or invisible to students. Once you're done, you can type in whatever message you would like and click Create. Now your classroom isn't empty anymore and you see a page, and it will open them up to that message or whatever things you've created on that page. I'm going to go back to my fake class. The second thing I'm going to teach you how to do is just how to create an assignment. So the add assignment, it looks very similar to add a page, but there's just a couple different options. When you create this title, put in whatever you would like. So now that you've named your assignment, the second thing you're going to do is you can type in anything in here. It looks just like the page and has all the same options as the page had. But the other cool thing that you can do is include a due date. And when you have due dates, what it will do is it will add events on this right-hand side, and it will also notify parents and kids when they have something that's coming up. Another cool option that you have is you can individually assign this if you'd like this only available to some students. You can allow learning objectives. You can lock it if you don't want students to be able to access it quite yet. If you want them to be able to submit things like Word documents, Google Drive documents, or just things inside of text boxes, you want to have your submissions enabled. If you have the submissions disabled, it looks just like a page, and it doesn't allow them to submit anything to you. So I want to have that on. I want to have it visible to students. Another thing is, if you want students to be able to comment, you want that on. A lot of times I disable comments because sometimes a lot of students will just kind of comment whatever. Click Create, and now what you'll do is you'll have a page, and you also have this assignment that you've created, and now it's also added that assignment to kind of its upcoming events. When you click on this, what will happen is from the student view, they'll have a little option to click over here and be able to type in a little text box to respond to maybe whatever questions you put in this assignment, or upload the Word document that they were supposed to complete. So yep, and then you'll have the different classes along the the different students along the right-hand side, and you'll be able to click on them and open up their different assignments that they completed. So that's kind of a cool thing to do, and that's kind of Schoology 101, creating and setting up a class.